What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, I'll be showing you how you can make dice links for your Monopoly Go. Let's go over to the app. To create your dice links, on the main tab of the app, tap the Friends selection located at the bottom right. Then tap the Invite button below. Now here, it shows that for every friends that you invite, you will receive dices. A milestone of 20, 60, 100, and 150 dices. Free token. To have your dice link, tap the Invite button, and in the pop-up menu, choose the Copy button. And now you can send this link to whoever you like. You can choose to send it to your friends via Messenger or any social media in order for you to receive more dices to play the game. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.